This is Clea with Dare to Care Computers. In this lesson, we'll learn how to change your time and date in Windows 10. So let's get started. At the bottom right-hand corner of your desktop, you'll see your time and date. If you left-click on this icon, a calendar appears. This is a handy calendar you can use, especially for business or making appointments when you don't want to bring up the calendar. You may have an Outlook or another program. So I always find this helpful when I'm looking ahead for dates. Now we'll click off by left-clicking on an empty space on our desktop. And this time we'll hover over the time and date and right-click instead of left-click. So usually the right-click option always gives you additional options than what you're probably used to. So we'll scroll up to the top where it says, ta-da, adjust time and date. Here we have our date and time. We see here the time 1:47 a.m. is Tuesday, July 16, 2019. Now down here we see change date and time. Well, this option is available to change because I have set time automatically turned to off. So if I was to set the time to link up with the internet and give me the time automatically, I cannot change my time and date manually. You see here, you can't click there anymore. So if you want to change it manually, you'll simply turn it off and make the changes that you need, which are here. Once you make the needed adjustments, simply click on change and that box will close. Down here we see the time zone. We're in Central Time, US and Canada, so you can change the time zone there. So if you're 1 or 2 hours ahead or behind, then usually the time zone is something that you want to take a look at. Now here I have it on to adjust for daylight savings time automatically. You may or may not want that feature. And here for show additional calendars in the taskbar, I have it set to don't show additional calendars. I just want my regular calendars. You can also change the format of how your time looks there under change date and time formats. If we scroll to the settings area at the top left-hand corner and go down to region and language, we can also see what country we're located and the language that our computer is in, which is the United States, and language is English. So if we wanted to add another language that's not listed, we click on the plus sign and we will add a language from here. Now, if your language is not listed there, you can also go in the Windows App Store. Just type Windows App Store in your search box here at the bottom left-hand corner, or click on your Windows icon, which we will be using a lot, and then you'll be able to type in the search box. So we'll close the region and language. With a few quick steps, we've learned how to view your calendar, how to change your time and date, as well as region and language. Use this feature to ensure you have a better browsing experience and your program updates function as needed. Follow Dare to Care Computers for more tech tips and tutorials. I'm Clea McLemore. Until next time.